Okay friends, today we're going to be finishing our cute penguins. We're going to add a little hat and a scarf on our penguin. For the scarf, you're going to pick out a color strip paper that looks like this. Now what we're going to do is we're going to see how far that strip is going to go on your paper, and then you're going to glue it. Okay, so what I'm going to do eventually is fold this down to give it the little piece that's hanging. Okay, alrighty friends, so I'm going to now get a glue stick, and I'm going to do 3 to 4 layers of glue all the way across. You have to be quick with it. And I'm going to come about in the middle of the body, and I'm going to rub. If I have any extra, what I'll do is I'll take it and I'll fold it down like that to look like it's part of the scarf that's hanging. If you don't have any extra, then you don't have to do that part. Now what we're going to do is we are going to make a pattern. So you're going to get another strip of paper, and you are going to cut little strips like this. You may not need all of them. So I'm just going to cut a few, set that to the side, and if I need more, I can get more later. So I'm going to take my glue. What I'm going to do is make stripes with this. So I'm going to go in, add glue on here. You might have to kind of hold it in your hand and put the glue, that little color down. Now when I put this down, friends, should I put it right next to that last one I did, or should I leave a little space? Yeah, you want to leave a little space because we're making a pattern. So I have red, blue, red, blue, red, blue. So I'm going to go all the way down my penguin until the whole scarf has that pattern. I can even add some little pieces on this piece if I have any hanging pieces too, if I would like. If you run out, just cut a little bit more from your strip. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start to put those patterns on. I want to make mine look kind of like it's got little pieces of yarn hanging. So I'm going to take my scissors at the end that where it curls on my scarf, and I'm just going to cut some little slits on it, and that's going to make it have a little bit of a relief and kind of look like that yarn that hangs off your scarf. Okay friends, so now Mrs. Plumber is going to show you a trick of how to make small triangles, because we need 3 small triangles. You're going to get a piece of paper that's small like this, and what you're going to do is right off the edge you're going to draw 3 V's. 1, 2, 3. 3 V's. If you need help with these, I can help you. And you're going to cut along that V line. So see how I did 3 V's off the edge? You're going to cut right along that V line. And now what happens is you don't have to draw the bottom of your triangle. It was already done with the edge of the paper that was cut. Notice I didn't make them too small. They're still big enough that I could pick them up and easily cut them. Alright friends, so now what we're going to do is we're going to place one of those 3 triangles for our nose and then 2 for our feet. So I'm just going to get a triangle, and I'm going to do point down, flat side up for the nose, about right above my scarf here. Okay, and then for the feet, same, the opposite direction, point up, flat side down. Alrighty friends, now we're going to make our hat, and our hat is going to be drawn on a smaller piece of paper. You're going to start by drawing, and I'm going to get a Sharpie so you can see, but you'll use a pencil. Drawing a horizontal line and then a curve that connects. Okay, now we're going to take that and we're going to cut that shape out for our hat. Now remember, when you glue, you want to add the messy to the messy side. So I'm going to take that, I'm going to add some glue, and I'm going to now flip that over and give him a little cute little hat. Rub it good. Okay friends, we are going to now add a pattern on here. So you're going to get another strip, cut some stripes from it. Okay, and I like to glue these kind of in the middle if they're not big enough. So see, like that. I'm just gonna add a stripe in the middle of the hat like that. So now I have orange, red, orange, red, orange, red. Okay, alrighty friends, so there is that. You're gonna get a little pom-pom to glue on the top for decoration. In order to get this pom-pom to work, you gotta get a lot of glue on it. And then you're gonna hold it down at the top of your hat for a couple of seconds. I would count to about 10 and then let it go. If you haven't drawn your eyes yet, we're going to be very, very, very gentle with a black Sharpie. We're going to do 2 dots in the nose, some lines in the feet, and then the eyes are just 2 little dots, and I'm being very gentle with it.